Welcome to Dream on Wheels, where we explore campervans built for real travel in real conditions. And today, we're looking at something a little different. A campervan designed not just for travel, but for extreme environments, introducing the Bravia Narvik Arctic, a vehicle built to handle cold climates, remote locations, and long journeys without compromising comfort. At first glance, the Narvik Arctic looks refined and modern. But underneath that clean design is something much more purpose-driven. This is a campervan built with cold weather travel in mind. The structure, insulation, and materials are designed to perform in lower temperatures, making it suitable for winter travel and challenging conditions. The exterior maintains a sleek European look, but every element has a function. The body is well proportioned, giving it a strong presence without feeling oversized. Its compact footprint allows it to navigate narrow roads and remote routes, something essential when traveling beyond typical destinations. The sliding side door provides easy access even in tighter spaces, while large windows bring in natural light, which becomes especially important during shorter winter days. At the rear, wide opening doors give access to both the sleeping area and storage space. This also creates a practical feature, allowing you to load gear easily or even sit at the back and enjoy the view, no matter the season. Step inside and the contrast is immediately noticeable. From cold and rugged outside to warm, comfortable, and inviting inside, the interior is designed to create a sense of warmth. Not just physically, but visually as well. Soft lighting, clean finishes, and carefully chosen materials make the space feel cozy and livable at the front. The driver and passenger seats swivel around to become part of the living area. This creates a compact but functional lounge space where you can relax, eat, or simply unwind. The table is positioned centrally, making it practical for everyday use. Large windows allow natural light to enter during the day, preventing the space from feeling enclosed, and at night, ambient lighting creates a calm and relaxing atmosphere, perfect after a long day in cold conditions. This is more than just a living space. It's a place to recover, recharge, and stay comfortable. The kitchen is built with practicality in mind, because when you're traveling in colder or more remote environments, having a reliable cooking setup becomes essential. You'll find a well-organized kitchen area with a stove and sink, giving you everything you need to prepare meals on the road. The counter space is used efficiently, allowing you to cook without feeling restricted. Storage is integrated throughout the kitchen, with cabinets and drawers designed to keep everything secure and organized. A refrigerator allows you to store food for longer periods, reducing the need for frequent stops. This is not a luxury kitchen, it's a functional one, designed for real travel situations where convenience matters. At the rear, the sleeping area is designed with comfort as a priority, because after a long day in colder environments, rest becomes even more important. The bed provides enough space to stretch out and relax properly. The mattress is supportive, helping ensure a good night's sleep regardless of the conditions outside. The insulation of the campervan plays a big role here, maintaining a comfortable interior temperature even when it's cold outside. Storage around the sleeping area allows you to keep your belongings organized without cluttering the space. Overhead cabinets and underbed storage provide room for clothing, gear, and essentials. This is a space designed not just for sleeping, but for proper rest. Even in a campervan built for extreme conditions, convenience is not compromised. The bathroom includes a toilet, sink, and a compact shower. The layout is designed to maximize usability within a limited space. Everything is placed where it needs to be, making it easy to use during daily routines. Storage compartments help keep toiletries organized and accessible. Having a private bathroom is especially valuable in colder environments. It means you don't have to step outside or rely on external facilities. You stay inside, warm and comfortable. On the road, the Narvik Arctic feels stable and controlled. Its size makes it manageable, while still providing enough interior space for comfortable living. The driving position offers good visibility, helping you stay aware of your surroundings, which is especially important in challenging conditions. Whether you're driving through highways or more remote areas, the vehicle feels balanced and predictable. This combination of control and comfort makes it suitable for longer journeys. What truly sets this campervan apart is how it supports travel in more demanding environments. This is not just a vehicle for summer road trips, it's built for year-round exploration. You're not limited by weather, you're not restricted by location. You can travel further, stay longer, and explore places that many vehicles simply can't handle comfortably. And that changes the entire experience. At the end of the day, travel is not just about comfort. It's about capability, it's about having the confidence to go further, stay longer, and experience more, and the Bravia Narvik Arctic is built to make that possible. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Dream on Wheels for more campervan and motorhome tours. And until next time, keep exploring, no matter the conditions, and keep chasing the road ahead.